Well, we need to add some text to our menu bar that we're about to create. Okay, so I'm going to come down to the text tool, click, and well, it's telling me up here that the text color is up here, is telling me that my color is going to be white. Well, I think I'm going to choose, I don't know, red. That sounds pretty good to me. You may want a different color. Don't think that everybody has to have red. I'm going to make sure that it is left aligned. The anti-aliasing of all these choices, I like smooth. Let me find a font. And the font I'm looking for, I think that's the font I want. There may be a different font that you want, which is okay. And I'm thinking 14 point would be pretty good. So let me come down. And whoops, I accidentally clicked on the page and it wants to put my text there, so I'm going to click on that to get rid of it. Let me click somewhere on my graphic and notice that it's created a brand new text layer. So I'm typing this text on a layer by itself, which is going to be handy. And what I'm going to type in is the information that I have in my sidebar, the menu items. I'm going to add a home. Maybe about 4 spaces between each one. ABOUTERNIE, 1, 2, 3, 4. ERNIE apostrophe S, FRINDS. Oh no, I think we do the family first. 1, 2, 3, 4. ERNIE apostrophe S, FRINDS. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to go ahead, since I have this little check mark thing, and you may not have that yourself, but since I have it, I'm going to check to commit. I've kind of missed a little bit, so I'm going to choose the moving tool, use the arrow keys to nudge this thing down and kind of put it into position. Now, I'm going to go back to my text tool and just kind of click in the middle here. Fortunately, I ended up on the same layer. I'm just going to add another space between each of the items because it looks like I was a little too conservative. Commit, go back to my moving tool and kind of put this thing in position. Okay, I like the way that looks. Make sure you put in your information. You may have to work with it so that it looks good on the page. You do want to make sure that there is space. There's plenty of space between your menu items, or that will make the later steps much more difficult, and you certainly don't want that.